If you're looking to start your own bonsai tree, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the basics of bonsai and help you start your very first tree. Let's get growing. Choosing your bonsai tree. The first step in starting your bonsai journey is choosing the right tree. Some species are easier to work with for beginners. Here are our top recommendations. Ficus, hardy and easy to care for. It tolerates low light and can thrive indoors. Juniper, an outdoor species known for its classic bonsai look, with twisted branches and foliage. Chinese elm, great for beginners. It's adaptable and has a beautiful natural shape. Choose a species that matches your environment, indoors or outdoors, and your level of commitment. Choosing a style for your bonsai. Now let's talk style. Bonsai trees can be shaped in a variety of styles, which add character and beauty. Here are a few popular ones. Formal upright, a classic style where the trunk is straight, resembling a natural tree. Informal upright, a more relaxed shape, where the trunk and branches have slight curves. Cascade, mimics a tree growing over the edge of a cliff, with the trunk and branches flowing downward. Pick a style that inspires you and complements your tree's natural shape. The basics of pruning and wiring. To shape your bonsai, you'll need to use pruning and wiring techniques. Start by pruning branches that are too long or that grow in undesired directions. This helps define the tree's structure. For wiring, wrap bonsai wire around the branches, allowing you to gently bend them to your desired shape. This process takes patience, so take your time and avoid overbending branches, which can cause damage. Watering and basic care tips. One of the most important parts of bonsai care is watering. Bonsai soil dries out quickly, so you'll need to check your tree daily. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Make sure to keep your tree in a location where it gets the right amount of sunlight, depending on its species. Indoor bonsai typically need bright, indirect light, while outdoor bonsai like junipers need full sun. Repotting your bonsai. As your bonsai grows, it will need repotting, usually every 1 to 2 years. Repotting refreshes the soil and trims the roots, giving your bonsai room to thrive. When repotting, carefully remove the tree from its pot, trim about 1/3 of the roots, and place it in fresh bonsai soil. And that's it. You've taken your first steps into the world of bonsai. Remember, bonsai is an art of patience and dedication. Start small, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to learn as you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bonsai tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy bonsai growing.